Good morning and hello, my dear students. We are going to start with the 19th chapter of science, that is life cycle of stars. Life cycle of stars. Stars is most fascinating thing in the sky. When you look here and around during night, we will be able to see lot of stars, thousands and thousands of stars. And these stars have some peculiar nature. And you know which is the closest star to us? Yes, indeed, it is the sun. Sun is the closest star, and sun is also the most numerous source of energy for us. Sun is like we can say a magical ball in the sky. So you know which is our galaxy? Our galaxy is Milky Way galaxy. Okay, and sun is one of the stars. Okay, just imagine one of the stars. There are millions and millions of stars in the Milky Way. Okay, and sun is one of the star, okay, in through which our entire solar system is at the center. Okay, solar system has consists of 8 planets, and Earth is one of them. And when you look from the Earth, you'll be able to see very few stars, very few. Whatever stars you see all around your sky is very few. But the millions and millions. You know what is 1 billion is? Because here we are going to have lot of calculations with millions and billions. Because we are not going with 1, 2, 3, or 100 or lakhs, not even crores. It will be almost like millions and billions. Okay? Just make you understand what is 1 billion is actually. 1 billion is like 10 lakhs. That is 1 million is equal to so much. Now 1 billion is equal to 10 raised to 9. That is 9 0 after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know how old our sun is? Our sun is almost 4.5 billion year old. Our sun is almost 4.5 billion year old. Okay, just we just look at the 1 billion, how much and 1 billion. I just go just side, I'll just get my side and we'll be able to see this count of how much annual is like normal, how much big it is. Okay, such a huge time it is. Okay, we have got to understand that the sun has a lot of energy inside it, and through which we can say that a lot of energy is acquired by the entire universe. We also use it. We use solar energy for when you see in the sky. Okay, at night when you see in the sky, you will be able to see that stars are there, moon is there. But moon doesn't emit light; it just reflects the light from the sun towards us. But stars, they do blink. We can even see Venus with our naked eyes. Sometimes we can even see Venus with our naked eyes. But only thing that it does not blink. Until unless it is not blinking, it is not up. If it is not blinking, then it is a planet. Okay. So properties of stars. Stars consist mainly lot of gases together. Lot of gases together. If we take how the stars is being formed, stars formed with lot of gases, okay, coming together, close. They are very much together, and they have a reaction within each other. Okay, generally this reaction is said to be nuclear fusion. Generally, it's called as nuclear fusion. Let us consider our own star, our dear sun. The sun has generally two main fuels, that is helium and hydrogen. I just run this part so that it will be fusion means fusion to fuse, to combine. Okay, to combine two or more things together to form one. So here in hydrogen, we will be able to understand hydrogen and helium. Okay, you know what is this? This is number one, hydrogen. In our periodic table, this is number two. Okay, atomic number one, atomic number two. So you have to also understand it how it works out. So two hydrogen combine together to form a helium nuclei. That is two hydrogen nuclei combine together to form a helium nuclei. During this lot of energy energy is emitted. Lot of energy is emitted. Whenever say energy is emitted, energy in the form of heat and light. Okay, whatever you see in sun, whatever the heat and light is coming is nothing due to nuclear fission. The process of combining two hydrogen nuclei to form one helium nuclei is known as nuclear fusion. Okay, so this nuclear fusion, through this nuclear fusion, we get a lot of energy over here. Just go through it one time. Okay, if you have textbook, you can go through it. Okay, I'll just wait for 1 minute so that you can go through the entire textbook. Just read it. Quickly, you just read it. Okay. The birth of stars occurs. Before making you understand how the birth of star occurs, we also want to understand some of the distance. Okay, some distance which we have to understand. For that, I just want you people to focus over here. Speed of light. In the ratio 5 meter per second, or you can see that 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Kilometer per second. Let it be. As it is there. Okay, it is 3, 1, 2, 3. How many zeros? 3 lakh kilometer per second. That is time taken by a light. A time taken to a light by a light. Travel in 1 second is this. This is the speed of the light. And this is the speed of light taken in 1 second. In 1 second, it will go up to 3 lakh kilometers. 0, 1. It will cover 3 lakh. That's the speed of the light. Now, the universe is so vast, it's so huge, it is very much huge and very much vast. We cannot measure it with meters, kilometers, miles, or yards, anything. It is not possible. Okay, it is huge. Even the board cannot take up all to that zeros. So we will just mention with respect to light years. We call it as light years. Okay? Light years. What do you mean by light year? Is the time traveled by the light in 1 year. 1 year, one normal year. It is known as light year. We can call it as almost 9.5 into 10 raised to minus 12 kilometers. This much distance it will cover in 1 year. 9.5 into 10 raised to 12 kilometers. Understood? This is the light year. Okay, now let us just go through it one time. I'll just wait for 1 minute so that we can go through the textbook one more time. Okay. Now let us come back to the main part how the star is born. Due to some cloud, there is interstellar clouds. Interstellar clouds consist of lot of gases and dust particles. Okay, again I mentioned you interstellar clouds. That is that, or what is there in space? Like lot of gas and lot of dust are there. Okay, first of all, lot of gas is already there. So when these gas and dust particles come together in such a manner where the density and the temperature is having, due to this, there will be a reaction happening. These clouds, interstellar clouds, in combination with density and the temperature, start to react with each other. They react with each other in such a time there will be triggering happening, and this triggering will cause the phenomena which I already mentioned, that is nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion. This density and temperature cause this nuclear fusion. And as the nuclear fusion happens, I already mentioned two hydrogen atoms combine together to form helium. Helium nucleus, sorry. It's not atom, it's nuclei. Two hydrogen nuclei combine together to form helium nuclei. So in this way, nuclear fusion happening started. As soon as we start a nuclear fusion, we can see the star is being taking birth. Okay, and it continuously started burning, 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 and you'll be able to see that the entire star will start to glow. Because due to the energy which I already mentioned, whenever say about energy, it is mainly dependent upon light and heat. In space, it's exclusively in space we call it energy. Generally, it is lot of heat and lot of light which is happening over there. So nuclear fusion the nuclear fusion happens, and due to the star started to burn. After taking birth, it will go through different stages of its life. Okay, even stars have life. That's why the chapter is all about life cycle of stars. The stars have its own life. Okay, that part we will be. I discuss you in the next lecture. I hope you understand this and up till this part. When the next lecture will start, we'll also revise this part one more time so that it will be easy for you to understand. Thank you so much.